How to make Belgian Merveilleux. Merveilleux is a traditional Belgian dessert that has been enjoyed for generations. The dessert consists of 2 layers of fluffy meringue, filled with whipped cream and coated in chocolate shavings. A king merveilleux at home may seem daunting, but with the right technique, it's actually quite simple. Here's how to make merveilleux. A king merveilleux at home may seem daunting, but with the right technique, it's actually quite simple. Here's how to make merveilleux. Ingredients: 4 egg whites, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 2 cups heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup dark chocolate shavings. Instructions: preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. Gradually add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to beat the egg whites. Add the white vinegar and cornstarch to the egg whites and beat for an additional minute. Using a piping bag or spoon, pipe or spoon the meringue onto the prepared baking sheet in small circles or shapes. Bake the meringues for 45 to 50 minutes, or until they are crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. While the meringues are baking, make the whipped cream filling. In a large mixing bowl, beat the heavy cream and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Once the meringues are finished baking, let them cool completely. To assemble the merveilleux, sandwich 2 meringues together with a generous dollop of whipped cream. Repeat with the remaining meringues and whipped cream. Coat the outside of the merveilleux with the dark chocolate shavings, pressing them gently into the whipped cream. Chill the merveilleux in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Merveilleux may seem like a difficult dessert to make, but with a little practice, it's actually quite simple. The key is to beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form, and to be patient when baking. Meringues. With a fluffy meringue, a creamy filling, and a crunchy chocolate coating, merveilleux is a delicious and impressive dessert that is sure to impress your friends and family. Meringues. With a fluffy meringue, a creamy filling, and a crunchy chocolate coating, merveilleux is a delicious and impressive dessert that is sure to impress your friends and family. Certainly, here are some additional tips and variations for making merveilleux. Use high-quality ingredients. Since merveilleux is a simple dessert with few ingredients, it's important to use high-quality ingredients for the best flavor. Use fresh eggs, high-quality chocolate, pure vanilla extract for the best results. Pure vanilla extract for the best results. Experiment with flavors. While the classic merveilleux is filled with vanilla whipped cream and coated in chocolate shavings, you can experiment with different flavors and coatings. Try filling the rings with raspberry whipped cream